As Papua New Guinea celebrates 50 years of independence, Kumulsoft proudly contributes to the National Housing Corporation and to our nation's future through digital transformation. Efficient, transparent, secure, NHC is now digital. Together, let us celebrate this milestone and build the future of housing for our people. For years, NHC faced siloed systems, manual processes, and limited visibility. Today, we turn these challenges into opportunities with one trusted digital platform. This transformation builds trust, delivers transparency, and lays the foundation for future innovation. One platform for everything, from fixed assets, general assets, and fleet to properties, leases, invoices, and payments, all unified in one seamless system. Let me now walk you through NHC's core features. Security is at the heart of this platform. With 3 levels of protection: authentication, role-based authorization, and section-level controls, your data is secure by design. From land to buildings, from inspections to maintenance, from valuation to disposal, every stage of the property lifecycle is now digitally managed and accessible at your fingertips. All related documents are securely stored and instantly available whenever needed. Maintenance is now fully digital. Requests, approvals, cost tracking, and closure are streamlined in one end-to-end workflow, fully audited and transparent. Projects and work in progress are tracked in real time, bringing accountability, efficiency, and control. For valuers, we introduce fast and transparent digital valuations. Requests, submissions, and approvals are streamlined across land, buildings, and improvements. Every valuation is digitally recorded, approved, and tracked, ensuring full transparency in the life cycle. For tenants, the journey begins with digital verification and validation. Registration, lease information, and documents are submitted step-by-step online. For NHC staff, tenancy verification and validation workflows ensure every application is genuine, complete, and secure. The entire lease life cycle is now digital, from lease information and documents to invoices, rental and other payments, and automated notifications. Every detail is captured in one secure system with full audit trails. Applications trigger automated email notifications, keeping tenants informed at every stage, from submission to approval. Smart invoicing is here. Bills are generated automatically, reminders are sent instantly, and collections are accelerated. Rent collection is seamless. Payments are fully audited, receipts auto-generated, and every transaction logged, building trust with tenants and accountability for NHC. Whether it's full or partial payments, write-offs, or detailed email and payment logs, everything is transparent and traceable. With 3V dashboards, staff gain real-time visibility into verification, validation, and valuation, ensuring decisions are made with accurate, up-to-date data. Lease dashboards provide a clear picture of leases, rent collection, and overdue payments, empowering informed decision-making. Maintenance dashboards track costs and performance in real time, ensuring accountability for every project and request. For management, executive dashboards bring together leases, maintenance, valuations, and finances, enabling governance and decisions based on a single source of truth. One system, 4 pillars of value. For tenants, self-service instant receipts and notifications. For valuers, fast submissions, transparent lifecycle tracking. For NHC staff, workflow automation, dashboards, and secure access. For management, revenue visibility, compliance, and informed governance. With this transformation, we decrease tenant onboarding time by 50%. We achieve 99.9% data accuracy, we reduce manual invoice handling by 80%, and we achieve 100% audit coverage of asset transactions. As Papua New Guinea celebrates 50 years of independence, Kumulsoft and National Housing Corporation proudly delivers a milestone contribution to our nation's journey. Today, we unveil NHC's digital transformation, building PNG's future with transparency, efficiency, and trust.